What's good? So, I'm here with another video on the way ready for y'all, alright? So this one is gonna be a full body workout video. I'm gonna hit some full body squats and shoulder presses with some burpees and some battle ropes. Another way to burn calories, cut fat, and tone up, build muscles all in within 30 minutes. So make sure this one's 30 minutes just like the last heat. Make sure y'all go and check out that last video I posted, alright?
I can't control this feeling. Something's happening inside me. Our senses come alive. The chemistry is brilliant. It's something that we're feeling. There's nowhere you can hide. It's gonna get louder. We're gonna get stronger. Gotta feel better. You can't tell this energy inside. I gotta reach higher. I wanna burn like a fire. You can't tell this energy inside. Perpetual in motion. It's just a ripple in the ocean. A shadow in the night changes. We're making for the better. We're going through together. There's nowhere you can hide. It's gonna get louder. We're gonna get stronger. Gotta feel better. You can't tell this energy inside. I gotta reach higher. I wanna burn like a fire.
Heart rate, calories burned, amount of points, effort given. That's how you do it. I got you.